In the sprawling empire of e-commerce, a quiet revolution was ignited by a strategic acquisition in 2012. Amazon purchased Kiva Systems for an unprecedented $775 million, signaling a seismic shift in its operational philosophy. This wasn't merely an investment, it was the dawn of a new industrial age, pushing toward a future dictated by algorithms and automation. The audacious goal was to build the most efficient logistics network the world had ever seen, redefining warehouse architecture into intricate ballets of humans and machines. This relentless drive set in motion a profound reevaluation of labor and the human role in a technologically saturated supply chain. The consequences are only now beginning to unfold. Deep within the humming fulfillment centers, a diverse cast of robotic workers carries out the digital giant's every command. The iconic orange Kiva bots, now Amazon Drives, are the undisputed workhorses, gliding across floors to transport entire shelves of inventory to human stations. They are joined by behemoths like RoboStow, powerful robotic arms sorting. The latest evolution includes autonomous mobile robots like Proteus, engineered to navigate freely and safely alongside human counterparts. These machines are not merely tools, but the central nervous system of a logistics network designed for unparalleled speed and scale. Each robot performs its task with tireless accuracy. The march of automation casts a long shadow over the warehouse floor, fundamentally altering the nature of human work. Roles that were once the backbone of the fulfillment process, defined by miles of walking and manual repetition, are now the most vulnerable. These positions are at the forefront of a displacement wave. The task of the picker is increasingly obsolete, as robotic systems now bring shelves directly to them. Similarly, the manual stower's job is steadily augmented and replaced by intelligent robotic arms that identify and sort products with superhuman speed. The question is no longer if these roles will change, but how quickly and completely. Yet, from the silicon heart of the automated warehouse, new roles are being born, demanding a different kind of human skill. For every fleet of robots deployed, a team of technicians is required to maintain, troubleshoot, and optimize their performance. These are robotics maintenance specialists and control room operators, whose expertise is in software and engineering. Amazon has publicly committed to upskilling its workforce, investing hundreds of millions in programs for higher tech positions. This creates pathways for warehouse associates to transition into roles as IT professionals, robot operators, and logistics analysts. It is a symbiotic evolution where the rise of the machine necessitates the elevation of human skill, offering opportunity to adapt and grow. The relentless integration of robotics has supercharged Amazon's logistics engine, achieving levels of efficiency once thought impossible. Automated systems operate around the clock without rest, dramatically reducing the time between a customer's click and a package's dispatch. This robotic precision minimizes errors, ensuring the right item is in the right box. Operational savings are staggering, cutting down on labor costs, optimizing storage density, and accelerating inventory turnover. For the consumer, these efficiencies translate directly into lower prices and faster, more reliable delivery promises. The Prime membership. As automation tightens its grip on the global supply chain, it forces a profound societal and economic reckoning. The immense gains in productivity and efficiency achieved are not always evenly distributed. This technological shift raises critical questions about the future of blue-collar labor and the potential for widening income. The concentration of economic power in highly automated corporations challenges traditional market dynamics and labor relations. We are witnessing a large-scale experiment in human and machine collaboration, one that could redefine the value of labor itself. This complex landscape of the Fourth Industrial Revolution influences urban planning, education policy, and the social contract. Amazon's vision extends far beyond its current robotic workforce, aiming for a state of near-total automation. The ultimate goal is a seamless, self-regulating supply chain where goods move from manufacturer to customer with minimal human intervention. Research teams relentlessly push AI and machine learning boundaries to perfect robotic dexterity for complex tasks like grasping and packing unique items. They envision fulfillment centers as dark factories, operating with ghostly efficiency, managed by a central AI that optimizes every aspect in real time. This long-term strategy is not about incremental improvements. The future of work inside an automated Amazon is one of fundamental transformation, not complete replacement. Human workers are ascending the value chain, shifting from physically demanding tasks to roles requiring cognitive and technical skills. They will become supervisors, maintainers, and collaborators of their. This new dynamic emphasizes problem-solving, adaptability, and the ability to work within a complex, technology-driven ecosystem. The warehouse floor of tomorrow will merge human oversight and robotic precision, creating a hybrid workforce of unprecedented capability. It represents the next chapter